Mr. Abhishek, you are coming from which state?
Sir, I belong from Madhya Pradesh.
Good. So, can you please tell us about yourself briefly?
Okay, sir. Sir, I'm Abhishek Kushwa. I'm from Indore, Madhya Pradesh. I have 2.5 years of experience in US mortgage industries, where I served as an associate analyst in the vendor risk management department there. Also, I have completed my summer internship in finance areas like working capital management, capital budgeting, analysis of financial statements, and so on. Coming to my education qualification, I have completed my master's in finance from Jaipur Institute of Management and completed my Bachelor's of Engineering from Medicaps University, sir. That's all about me, sir. Thank you.
Why did you come to MBA from BE? What was the reason?
Okay. Sir, basically, the reason is, sir, during my engineering days, I developed a very strong interest in the field of finance, particularly in knowing that how big businesses manage their finances and how big decisions related to the money are taken by them. And just after analyzing the financial statements, how we can draw an overall picture of any company, sir. So, sir, all these things excited me and motivates me to pursue my further career in the field of finance only, and that's why I have decided to pursue my MBA in finance with the belief that on one hand, an engineering provided me strong analytical, technical, and problem-solving abilities, and on other hand, an MBA would provide me strong financial risk and risk management skills as well. So the combination of all these skills would provide me the unique benefit in achieving my desired role in the banking world, sir. So that's why I did MBA after engineering, sir.
Tell us about your family.
Sir, I'm living in a nuclear family. Consists of my father, mother, and elder sister. My father is working with Kia Motors. It is the automobile industries in Indore. And my mother running the boutique shop in home. And my elder sister is married now.
What is bad debts and
Sir, bad debts.
it is shown in the balance sheet, bank balance sheet?
Okay. Sir, bad debts. First of all, the assets or the loans of the bank which ceases to generate any income or revenues for the bank for more than 90 days. And sir, it is recorded as an expense in the profit and loss statement, and it is also deducted from the trade receivables in the asset side of the balance sheet, sir.
Good. For the borrower, in his balance sheet, where will this loan appear?
Sir, can you pardon that question?
For the borrower, this loan will appear in which side of balance sheet? In his company's balance sheet.
Sir, I'm not sure, sir. I would like to guess, sir. Can I?
Tell me,
Sir, loans are reflected in the liability side of the balance sheet, sir.
why do you have to guess for this? It's a silly question, simple question.
Sir, that question is not understood to me, sir, correctly, sir.
अरे
That's
भाई
why.
तू बारो किया है तो से लाइबिलिटी तो आना है, कहाँ जाएगा वो?
ओके, ओके सर, मैं कुछ और समझ रहा था इसके लिए। ओके सर।
अच्छा, क्विक रेशियो का मतलब क्या है, उसका बारे में बताइए। उससे क्या बैंक को यूज है, वो फाइंड आउट करने से बैंक को क्या फायदा है अबाउट अदर कस्टमर?
Okay. Sir, first of all, quick ratio. So the definition of quick ratio is the quick assets divided by current liability. And when we deduct the inventories from the current assets, then we get the quick assets. एंड सर इसका यूज ये होता है कि जब बैलेंस शीट कोई पढ़ता है तो उसे ये पता चलता है कि कंपनी के पास कितना कैश मौजूद है, अपने उसका कितनी इन्वेंट्रीज है, ताकि वो अपने शॉर्ट टर्म ऑब्लिगेशंस को कितनी अच्छी तरह से फुलफिल कर सकता है। ये पता करने के लिए क्विक एसेट्स को देखा जाता है सर, क्विक
गुड,
रेशियोज को देखा जाता है।
गुड। देन व्हाट इज MPBF मेथड 2?
ओके, okay, so sir, under the second method of NTVF, in which the 25 percentage of the total current assets is contributed by the borrower and rest is contributed by the bank.
See, actually आपने you know the answer, but you are not able to tell correctly. Here,
Okay.
see, in interview, you will get good marks if you use keywords, important words, catch words. आपने
Okay.
ये क्वेश्चन को आंसर दे दिया, कहीं भी आपने ये तो वर्किंग कैपिटल और वर्किंग कैपिटल के लिए कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूँ और कैश क्रेडिट के लिए कैलकुलेट कर रहा हूँ, ये तो कुछ भी नहीं बताया आपने। ऐसा तो नहीं करना है। ठीक से और एक बार बोलो।
Okay, sir. So, sir, first of all, that NPVF stands as maximum permissible banking finance. So, sir, this method is used by the banks to determine how much bank can allow the capital to any particular company for that they can meet their working capital needs. And sir, under the second method of the NPBF, under this the 25 percentage of the total current assets of the company is contributed by the borrower itself, and the raised amount is contributed by the bank, sir.
Are you telling correctly?
Yes, sir. As per the second method of NPBF, this is
Mm,
the. Oh,
is
no, sir. No, sir. No, sir. No, sir. I will correct it. Sir, it is the 25% of the working capital gap is contributed by the borrower, sir. This is the correct.
I think there is some clarity in a Tandon committee MPBF2 method bank finance. Let us see what happens. In the second method, a borrower would be required to finance 25% of the total current assets,
Yes,
not
I was.
not of working capital gap, as in the first method, from
Yes, sir.
long-term resources. A certain level of credit for purchases and other current liabilities would be available, and a bank would provide for the balance. What
Okay,
is
sir. I was.
this? This is coming under which committee?
Sir, Tandon committee.
A Tandon committee. So, which is
Yes,
the
sir.
minimum current ratio required for this?
Sir, 1.33 is to 1.
Excellent. That's a good question. Good answer. Now, please tell me what is DSCR? If DSCR is 0.9, क्या करेगा?
Sir, first of all, DSCR stands as debt service coverage ratio, and sir, it is the financial metric that helps in determining that how efficiently a company can manage its debt expenses like principal and interest payments. And sir, अगर अगर कोई कंपनी का DSCR रेशियो 0.9 है, इट मींस दैट वो कंपनी अपना डेट सर्विसेज को अच्छे तरीके से फुलफिल नहीं कर पाएगी, उसे कहीं और से लोन लेना उसको फुलफिल करने के लिए कहीं और से अमाउंट लेना पड़ेगा, सर। सर, जैसे कि ये फॉर्मूला बताता है नेट ऑपरेटिंग इनकम डिवाइडेड बाय प्रिंसिपल पेमेंट एंड इंटरेस्ट पेमेंट। तो यहाँ पर नेट ऑपरेटिंग इनकम ही कम बन रहा है, इस वजह से वो कंपनी अच्छे तरह से अपने डेट को सर्विस नहीं कर पाएगी, सर। ये रेशियो ये बताता है।
See, actually, इधर में straight away we cannot say we will refuse. थोड़ा 50% mixed answer देना है. If the party has been otherwise good, his dealings with us have been good in the past, and he has got a otherwise good report in the market, then we may consider granting him as a special case.
ओके,
The
सर,
D,
हमने
the
न्यूट्रल।
D, listen. The DSCR, the DSCR usually provides business with a single digit number. In general, the higher the number, the better. The closer your DSCR to 1, the more likely it is that your business will be passed over for loans and external investment. Specifically, DSCR should be at least 1.25 or higher. This is the minimum that most lenders will be looking for. But that requirement changes depending upon the business loan in question and which the lender is providing the funding. Understand? So
Yes.
you cannot simply reject, but via media, mostly it will be rejected. You can say like this: mostly it will be rejected unless the party is extremely good and has been paying all his dues earlier properly. It will be rejected. Something like that you can say. Okay.
Okay, sir. I will frame my answer, sir. That way.
Yeah. That way, nice. Good. You answered nicely. Now, last question for you. How do you imagine yourself 5 years from now?
Okay. Sir, in 5 years, I see myself as a credit manager in the Punjab National Bank, where I'm working in the complex credit portfolios, and sir, becoming a part of the team who is responsible for shaping the credit policies of the bank. And sir, I also plan to obtain some advanced certification in the areas of credit. And sir, I really want to help the Punjab National Bank grow by implementing the effective credit strategies. And sir, I am dedicated to building my long-term career with the Punjab National Bank only, sir.
Very good. Thank you. Best wishes. Not bad,
Thank you.
but I always expect more and more. You can
Okay,
do.
sir.
Best wishes. God bless you. Today, a lot of new questions have come. I have posted in the probable questions. वो सबको prepare कर दीजिए.
Sure, sir. Sure.
Thank